What's up, gang? It's your boy Bluminati coming at you from the dojo. And we have a little package from Sir Lancelot Leather himself. As you know, Lancelot Leather, aka Joe, is a member of the EDC Roundtable. See the little shield right there? And his leather wares are definitely better than cardboard. I know because I have several. One being this very cool leather slip for my Keith the Knife Freak handmade custom fixie. Lancelot did my sheath in, of course, blue and black, blue stitching. Then you've got his own set of belt loops, but that's not what we're here for. But very nice craftsmanship on that. He surprised me with a little gift. And within that little gift was a leather lanyard for a doodad. Of course, got the stickers. His business card. He sent me a Victorinox. Made in Switzerland, founded in 1884. This is the Blue Classic SD. Check that out. Now, I have, growing up over the years, I have had Swiss Army knives, in quotes, never actually a Victorinox. So this is really cool that Joe was kind enough to hook your boy up. And with the Classic, you got little spring-loaded scissors. Need to clean that off. I shall do so with a Forrest Hank. Also, one of the members of the EDC Roundtable. This is one of the Hank of the Month Hanks. If you were lucky enough to get it on his premiere launch of that. Like 28 bucks a month and you get a surprise Hank. And he's been throwing out some really good ones. Definitely like that one. But back to this. We've got a very cool Classic SD. It has your little pen blade. It's got a nail file, and a flathead. Very cool. That little ring right there, possibly be for the lanyard. Comes with it. A toothpick that I can't get out. Okay, let's try the tweezers. Tweezers came out. Got the tweezers out. See if I can get the toothpick out. It's really in there. There you go. One toothpick. One set of tweezers. But that wasn't all he sent in there. As you know, he does the leather slips, sleeves, etc. He sent me a matching sheath to go with my little SD. Pow! Check that out, guys. Very nice. Love the blue and black. I might be a little bit biased, but yes, blue and black. Sorry, Maddie. And you can squeeze it here. Pull out your blade. good retention. Definitely not going anywhere till you give her a little old squeeze and pull it right back out. But definitely appreciate it, Joe. So definitely check out the EDC Roundtable. He's got top-notch stuff. His leather goods are second to none. Damn high quality, and of course, as you can see on my wonderful tray here. And if you remember my breakdown mat, which I used to use a lot, it had my logo in it. Definitely some cool stuff from our brother Joe over at Lancelot Leather. So hit him up, EDC Roundtable. Get you some awesome gear, as well as all the other fellas. Forrest Hanks, said Stevie, Jack's Lung, get you Jank, Chromatic EDC, definitely check all those guys out. Pick you up some awesome gear. You will not be disappointed. And Joe, thank you so much. I actually can say I own a Victorinox. Thank you very much, sir. I will carry it proudly in my little sheath. So with that, guys, don't forget to do something kind for someone. Be a knife nerd. And remember, I'm licensed to carry small arms. This is your boy Bluminati signing off. Peace.